Design in its multiple dimensions helps to improve our quality of life and brings innovation. It is associated with the art of creation and deals with aesthetics, differentiation, and functionality. The design industry cut across the artisan, manufacturing, and services sectors. Design products are covered by designer rights and account for more than half of global trade of creative industries. Creative design can be expressed by its uniqueness as jewellery, or a functional product like a chair or a boat, and even as a creative service like architecture or advertising. Design thinking, however, deals with ambiguity, methods, and systems. It can be understood as the ability to adapt the processes to new challenges. Design thinking is used as a managing tool to solve problems, improve decision-making and collaboration, or a way to get business people thinking like designers and designers acting like entrepreneurs. Design thinking is used to stimulate the creative process and deliver innovation. Placing art and science into a business can bring originality and attract the clients. Innovation-driven firms of any size have to adapt and design a new culture, favoring teams and flexibility over rigid structures and doing rather than analyzing. Business decisions should focus on future opportunities rather than past failures. It's time to face the current difficulties and think beyond the crisis mode. Design is about thinking. Innovation is about imagining. Let us make sense of a disruption and be creative and proactive.